Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which article allows the President to declare an emergency? Answer: Article 352. The Rajya Sabha members are elected for a term of. Answer: 6 years. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha as per the Constitution is. Answer: 552. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was. Answer: G.V. Mavalankar. The Supreme Court of India was established in. Answer: 26 January 1950. Who administers the oath to the President of India? Answer: Chief Justice of India. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced by which amendment? Answer: 73rd Amendment. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 3. The National Commission for Scheduled Castes is established under which article? Answer: Article 338. Which amendment is known as the Mini Constitution? Answer: 42nd Amendment. Which article grants special provisions to Nagaland? Answer: Article 371A. Who is the Chief Justice of India appointed by? Answer: President of India. The National Human Rights Commission was established in. Answer: 12th October 1993. Who was the first woman governor of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. The Right to Information Act was passed in. Answer: 2005. The Supreme Court of India has how many judges including CJI? Answer: 33. The Union Public Service Commission is mentioned in which article? Answer: Article 315. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 11 fundamental duties. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Sukumar Sen. Who is the first law officer in India? Answer: Attorney General of India. Which is the first state to be formed on the basis of language? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. What is the motto incorporated under our national emblem? Answer: Satyamev Jayate. Who had proposed party-less democracy in India? Answer: Jai Prakash Narayan. Who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is based on which historical document? Answer: Objectives Resolution, 1946. The right to equality is enshrined in which articles of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Article 14 to 18. Which fundamental right was removed from the original list by the 44th Amendment? Answer: Right to property. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability? Answer: Article 17. Which case is associated with the basic structure doctrine? Answer: Keswanand Bharti case. How many nominated members are there in the Rajya Sabha? Answer: 12 members. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? Answer: 61st Amendment. The highest law officer in a state is? Answer: Advocate General of State. The first Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in? Answer: 18th June 1951. The anti-defection law was introduced by which amendment? Answer: 52nd Amendment Act. Which constitutional amendment made right to education a fundamental right? Answer: 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. The Panchayati Raj system was the first implemented in which state? Answer: Rajasthan. The Lokpal and Lokayukta Act was passed in? Answer: 2013. The largest union territory area-wise is? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. The Central Vigilance Commission was set up in? Answer: 1964. The first state in India formed on a linguistic basis was? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The first general election in India were held in? Answer: 1951 to 1952. The first law commission in independent India was formed in? Answer: 1955. Which article of the Constitution deals with the formation of new states? Answer: Article 3. Which committee recommended the three-tier Panchayat Raj system? Answer: Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The Union list originally contained how many subjects? Answer: 97 subjects. The governor of a state is appointed under which article? Answer: Article 155. Which house is called the upper house of the parliament? Answer: Rajya Sabha. The fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution is derived from which country? Answer: Constitution of USSR. Sikkim was granted statehood in which year? Answer: 1975.